Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Pray that all is well with each and every one of you, and I want to thank you for joining me on today. So on today we are going to make ourselves some antibacterial liquid hand soap. Now, before we get started, let me say this. If you're not already a subscriber, and thank you to all of those who are already a subscriber, please click that subscription button and the notification bell so you'll know when I upload a video. And if you want to, you can comment in the comment section below. I'm connected. I'll add your name to one of these leaves and then place your name on our True Vine family tree. Okay, so back to the hand soap. A lot of people are saying they can't find the antibacterial hand soap. And so we are going to make some antibacterial hand soap, and we're going to make it moisturizing so that we won't be having the issues that or we'll try to lessen some of the issues that we've been having from the use of a lot of antibacterial products. And I've got moisturizer on my hands now, so that's the reason why mine's don't look as bad as they could. But okay, so first of all, I don't know, some people might not realize this, but Dial, the gold Dial soap in the bar is antibacterial. And you can hopefully see that right there. It's always have been. This is like the original Dial. Always have been. They use this in hospitals and in medical settings. So it's good. So we might not be able to get it in liquid form, but if you can find it in a bar, use that. Okay? We just trying to be able to, handle our business. Alrighty. Now, what you're going to need in order to make the liquid antibacterial hand soap, if you can find it, you are going to need, it doesn't have to be Palmolive. It doesn't matter what brand it is, as long as it is the antibacterial dish soap. And let me tell you this. We are so busy looking in all the big box stores for stuff. Stop doing that. I mean, if you find stuff there, great. But, everybody's going to all the Walmarts and the Kroger's and Myers. Everyone's going there. That's not what we're doing. Let's go into stores just little neighborhood stores, little neighborhood grocery store, little neighborhood dollar store. Doesn't have to be Dollar Tree, little neighborhood gas station or whatever. In a lot of those little neighborhood stores, you can find these types of things, especially when you live in a more urban area. So I was able to find this antibacterial, Palmolive antibacterial, for $2 at a little obscure dollar store. It wasn't a Dollar Tree. It's like, one of those other kind of dollar stores. It wasn't a Dollar General or anything like that. It wasn't a big box. It was just a little neighborhood kind. So as you can see, I have been using this a lot, and this is what I use to make my antibacterial hand soap. Okay, so the other thing that you're going to need, and this is where the moisturizing part comes in, is either some body wash that you like. You don't have to pay a lot of money for it. You can get body wash all day long at Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Now, if you want to go to one of those places and get that, great. And you want to get something that you really like, just hydrating and moisturizing. It can be a cream or a gel type of body wash. Doesn't matter. I just picked this. It was $1. I got that. I'm good with it. Or if you don't want to go spend extra money, if you got shampoo, if you have a shampoo that you like, that's moisturizing, whatever, use that. And what you're going to do, I am not using, this is what I use for my hair, so I'm not going to use that. So let's get back to this. So in this bottle, I filled this bottle near a little more than halfway with the body wash. And then the rest of the way, I put the antibacterial dishwashing liquid. Now, this dishwashing liquid is the ultra kind, so it's kind of super concentrated. Once I put it in there, I shook it up, and you see it's pretty thick. But what I like about it is that the body wash is very moisturizing. So it works really good together. Plus, you get to stretch both. Now, let me tell you, when it comes to my dishwashing liquid that I wash my dishes with, I still buy a bottle of this regular dollar dishwashing liquid. And I have a bottle, empty bottle, this or a bottle that I use that's about this size. And it doesn't have to be Palmolive. It can be any brand that you want. If you find you one big bottle of this ultra antibacterial, you can make all the liquid hand soap that you want, and all the liquid dishwashing liquid that's antibacterial that you want. So in another bottle, I have the regular dishwashing liquid, and maybe I might have as much as 10 or 12 ounces or whatever. And then, and let's say if the regular dishwashing liquid is filled to here, I fill it the rest of the way with the antibacterial dishwashing liquid. I make me a nice concentrate. And there you go. So I kill two birds with one stone. Again, when you use the body wash and the antibacterial dishwashing liquid, because this is going to be so concentrated between the body wash and the ultra dishwashing liquid, you don't have to use as much. So you can use a smaller little pump of it and wash your hands. They know the recommended 20 seconds. Get you all the way up and rinse. Now, if you, let me tell you one other thing too. A lot of us have little, and not necessarily a Mod Podge bottle, but if you got a squeeze bottle at home, you can put a little bit in that. A lot of us are going to be going back to work, or we just have to go out and do other things. And sometimes you go to the bathroom or whatever, and while you're out, you can wash your hands. You already have some antibacterial soap in your purse or in your car or whatever. Now, if you don't have that, here's something else to think about. Look in your closets and cabinets or whatever. Maybe you've had a loved one or someone who had been in a hospital, nursing home at some other point in time, and you know how they give you toothpaste and all of that, your grooming products. And they might have this no rinse cleanser, because a lot of times we're not able to get up and go to the shower and all of that, and you might have to bathe from the bed. Well, I have this here from a couple of years ago, maybe a little ago. A family member was in the hospital, and this is what they had several bottles of this, and this is one that I kept, and I have taken this with me when I'm out. It's foam. You rub it on your hands. If they use it in hospitals and nursing homes, apparently it works. I'm not saying it's antibacterial, but at least you're able to wash your hands if you're not able to get to soap and water. And if you don't have any hand sanitizer, you can at least clean your hands. And it's moisturizing. You don't have to worry about rinsing your hands. You can wipe your hands off on a piece of tissue or something and go on with your day until you can get home or someplace else where you can use soap and water. The point is, we're trying to keep our hands clean. So Don't sleep on regular bar soap if you can find it. This was at my a neighborhood grocery store. They had, I think it was like 3 or 4 bars of this Dial Gold for $1. Look for the antibacterial dish soap and make your own DIY antibacterial hand soap. Okay, so until next time, stay safe, be blessed, but most of all, stay connected to the true vine. And you can get as close to God as you want to, and you don't have to worry about getting a virus from Him. All right, bye now.